Hello friends, welcome to House of Tech English. Now last month, Apple showcased iOS 27 for the first time and the event was all about Siri AI. But let me tell you one thing that apart from Siri AI, there are many more features which Apple has introduced in iOS 27 and many features or many settings are actually hidden. So I'm going to talk about the secret features or settings which Apple has introduced but did not talk about in the event. So do watch this video till the end, it will be definitely helpful for you. But before going ahead, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now talking about the first feature or first setting, that is for sound and haptics. So if you go to settings and then if you go to sound and haptics, you get an option to set volume level for ringtone. But after 27, if you go down, you can see there is a new volume level or volume slider option for alarms and timers and alert and system sounds. Now these settings were not present earlier. So after iOS 27, Apple has given these option. So if you don't want to set same volume level as ringtone for alarm and alert, then you can set it manually. For alarm and timer, you can set different volume level, and for alert and system sound setting, you can set up different volume level. Now suppose in case if you want uh, alarm and alert volume level to be same as ringtone, then you get this toggle option. You can simply turn it on. Now whichever volume level you set for ringtone, the same volume level will be applicable for alarms and alert system sounds. So yes, this is the new hidden setting or secret setting which Apple has introduced after iOS 27. Now the next hidden thing is in Photos application. If you go to Photos and then if you go to Collection, in Utilities, you will find two new album. First is Captured by Me. Now in Captured by Me, you can check out all the photos and videos you have captured from your iPhone. You won't be able to see screenshot over here like you are able to see in Library. This is basically if you want to filter out photos and videos which you have captured, then you can go to Captured by Me album and you can check those things over here. Next album is Identity Document. So in Identity Documents, you can check out all the documents you have. So yes, this is way more easier than going in library and searching for document and photos and videos captured by us. Now the next thing is for message application. There are two new things. First is if you go to new message and if you tap on plus option, there is a new feature of drawing. So you can select drawing, you can draw anything and then you can send it to any particular contact. So this is one new feature. Next thing is if you are able to see this particular icon of voice memo or mic over here in the text box, earlier there was no option to hide it, but now you do get a setting, but that is hidden. And for that, all you have to do is you just have to go to settings, go to apps, and if you go to messages and if you go down, you get a new option of show in text field. Now currently it is set to record audio, but if you select none over here and after that if you go to message application and if you compose new message, now you can see the icon which was visible earlier is not visible anymore. So this is how simple it is to hide voice memo or mic icon after iOS 27. Now the next hidden feature is for lock screen wallpaper. If you want clean wallpaper look, if you don't want time to take so much space, then you can completely hide it. Now for that, you just have to tap and hold like this. You have to go to customization mode, and if you tap on time, you get a pop-up screen like this, and you can see there is a new box like icon over here. You just have to tap on that and the time which was visible here will go to the top side and you can check out time, day and date over there. After that, you just simply save the wallpaper and now you can see you will get a clean lock screen wallpaper look. Now the next hidden setting is for Siri. Now we all know that Apple has introduced revamped Siri. So this is the new Siri animation which you can check out on Dynamic Island. But there is a hidden setting for that. Now we do get a dedicated Siri application, and if you go to new chat, you get an option of ask Siri. So here you can choose whether you want to ask anything to Siri or to ChatGPT. Currently it is saying ask Siri, so you can simply tap on that. You will get a pop-up screen. Select ask over here, and over here you can choose whether you want to select Siri or ChatGPT. So if I select ChatGPT, now it is saying ask ChatGPT. So basically you can switch between Siri and ChatGPT depending on your requirement. Now talking about the last feature of this particular video, that is related to timer. Now earlier what used to happen is whenever we used to open control center and whenever we used to select timer option, it used to open clock application. So the new animation is just simply tap on timer and you will be able to see the new timer slider or new timer animation. I think this looks better than the previous one. So yes, these are simple features, or you can say hidden features or hidden settings for iOS 27. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.